Good morning, Tim Morissette with Coldwell Banker, and I'm so excited because we're in front of our new listing at 31910 9th Avenue in Laguna Beach. It's just a block up from the famed Thousand Steps Beach, which is one of the most pristine beaches in all of Orange County. This property hasn't been on the market for over 21 years. And so if you're looking for an opportunity to have ocean views in Laguna Beach, this is a property for you. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, decks off the master bedroom, off the living room, modern kitchen full of custom upgrades. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As I enter the home, the first thing I notice is the floor to ceiling glass walls. This is spectacular. You have ocean views from basically the whole mid-level here. The house is kind of a modern industrial feel to it with a concrete fireplace. Then you go into the modern kitchen with this industrial polished concrete and stainless steel countertops. And then also next to that is an adjoining bedroom with a bathroom. And so this whole level here is an amazing area, and it's all highlighted by these great ocean views. Now that we've seen the first level, let's go upstairs. So here we are in this master bedroom. I just imagine laying here, waking up to this ocean view, smelling the salt air. It's incredible. From here, we have a remodeled modern master bathroom, which is gorgeous. And this has another view out this way to Catalina Island, a walk-in closet. From here, we go out into a large viewing deck, which I can imagine watching the sunset. It's just gorgeous. This is a gorgeous master bedroom. I wouldn't want to leave. So adjacent to the master bedroom is another ensuite room with remodeled bathroom. Your guests are gonna love that. So here we are on the deck off the master bedroom suite. I mean, I can see having a cappuccino here in the morning with a nice little croissant, or a nice bottle of Cabernet in the afternoon watching the sunset. This is amazing. Let's go downstairs and look at the backyard. So walking down from the kitchen, we're in the backyard and we're going down to the 2-car attached garage, which is a heck of a feature. But before we get into the garage, we have something very special to show you and very unique. Boy, it's a heavy door. Inside here, we have a 1,000-bottle climate-controlled wine cellar. Take a look. That smells wonderful. So, having a yard of any space in Laguna Beach is unique. This one is a nice side yard. So, if you're looking for an area where the kids can play, you could dine out here, this is a nice added benefit to this unique home, just a block up from 1,000 Steps Beach. So, give me a call, Tim Morissette Group, 949-412-2233, and we'll get you into this spectacular house in Laguna Beach.